We're now going to look at applying small decals. Now I know I've showed you in this video series how to apply decals with all the procedures and how you go about it, but when it comes to small decals, I've found over the years that you can get away with skipping a few of these procedures to just get the decal down quicker, faster and easier. It is quite simple and easy. What we basically do is forget about micro set, forget about that. We're not going to use them on small decals, we're just going to use micro sol. Now I know this is a strong solution and maybe you wouldn't want to start off with this, right, but you do have a certain amount of time before decals start to kind of wrinkle up to the decal. So you've got a nice bit of play time, but they're only small decals, we can get them down pretty quick. So just placing this now, right, where we are going to have this little decal, right, so we're now going to have some nice micro sol underneath our decal. So I'm now going to get our little decal here. You can slide them off, I just personally prefer to just get them on the end of the paintbrush like so. I just find that easier, and we can place that now on top of our micro sol, kind of generally position it, but then what we want to do is get out another bit of micro sol, right, and we're going to paint that on top as well, right, so we've got micro sol underneath and on top, right. Then we get out a nice simple, you know, sewing needle in this hand drill just here. I'm not going to stab it, you know, this is just micro positioning it, right. You know, you just very lightly touch it, right, and that there is now in position. And what this is doing is, with the micro sol underneath and on top, right, it's going to help it adhere to the model, it's going to wrinkle it up, conform it to the model, and that's it, right. We now go off and follow the normal procedures that we would for from this stage, where we just let it dry a bit, keep on applying micro sol until it conforms nicely. We can get out a blade, cut into any recesses, cut out any silvering, keep on applying micro sol until it's down and looking good. And that's it. That's just my experience over the years, that, you know, smaller decals, you know, rather than going through all the different procedures, it's not really needed. They're too small, right? You don't have to go that far with them. So nice easy way of putting down some small decals.